Another one. This is a new fintech. It's called Get Loot. So I did a video on my other. Oh wait, let me see. Maybe they went to a wait list. Let's just see what. Okay. So this is another thing where you can get up to 50K working capital. There's no hard pull, as it says, no credit check. So I'm sorry. We don't do a soft or hard credit check. It's all going to be based, revenue based. So you do have to connect to Plaid. And yeah, basically what they offer, they analyze your banking activity, and then you can get up to 50K in it's basically repayments and like fixed installments.
Wow.
So this would be good. I would say this would be good for like an e-com.
Okay.
Something
Why?
that's because it's good because like if you're selling products and you have high turnover, so you have cash flow coming in, this would not be good if you're trying to buy a real estate property.
Okay.
Because your repayment is going to be too quick. So you basically can spread it out over, I think it's, don't quote me on it. I want to say 6 to 8 weeks. I think that's the repayment cycle. I think I have to double check, but basically, I'm sorry, 12 weeks. So basically 3 months. So this is like a short-term financing solution, fixed payments, instant decision.
Builds business credit or no?
Not quite, because this literally, like the guy who, the founder, I had a conversation with the founder. He actually just started this company. He worked, what's the company? Another well-known like fintech line of credit. I forget which one it was, but he basically like just started this, so it's not going to report just yet. So it's kind of like a hidden trade line for now, but maybe at some point, it will. But this is another little gem, no credit check. I think I did this on my other channel, so I don't even think people even know about this.
You have two channels, bro?
I have a vlog channel.
Oh, really, man? That's
the reason why is because I think I told you this. My channel's kind of like already made for like marketing.
Yeah.
For like it's built for advertisers.
Yep.
So I try not to like deviate from that.
Yeah,
so sometimes I do like the vlogs where I'm walking around my neighborhood or just speaking a little bit more freely.
I'm gonna go subscribe, man. I didn't even know you had a second channel.
Yeah. It's I only have like 1,400 subscribers.
Good,
so
bro.
I try to put a video out. So anyways, Get Loot. This is another one.
What does Loot go up to as far as limits? Is it 50K total?
50K. Okay. That's the max.
Yep. Cool. Idea.
Another one I want to go over, Ideal Financial. So they don't hard pull you at all. And that, as a matter of fact, let me see if I can, here, I'm going to pull up the, I got the scoop on the underwriting. So this is going to be for, I would say, more seasoned businesses let me rephrase, for higher revenue businesses.
What does that mean? Like how much revenue?
So they want to see at least 180K per year.
Okay.
Gross.
Yeah.
So it's not going to be for like and I forget what that breaks. I think that's like 17,000 a month or something like that. And I'll actually pull up the underwriting guidelines in just a second, but they don't hard pull you at all. And they have the reason why I say it's for more seasoned businesses, because the minimum draw amount is $5,000. So if you get the line of credit and you want to use it, you can't draw less than 5K.
Wow. Okay.
Right. So let me see if I can
Same day funding too. Now, are they going to be kind of pulling into your Plaid as well, like using Plaid for verification? There you go, right there.
There's multiple options. So you can send them bank statements. They'll accept bank statements.
Okay.
2 years so pretty much, yeah. So the way they work, I'd like to think they're kind of similar. Let me see, who are they similar to? So they have what's called draw fee. So there's no origination, but there are draw fees of like 1.99 to basically 3%. per draw. So if you factor in a minimum, oh, they actually raised the draw amount. Sorry. It used to be 5K. Now it's 10,000. So again, it's like, unless you're going to use, unless you have a need for it, it's, you know, it's not like, you know, if you need $500, $2,000, like, you know, so that's pretty much how it is. Now, the great thing about them is that they don't hard pull you at all. They just do a soft pull of your Equifax, and you need a 650 Equifax FICO 8.
Personal?
Personal.
Wow.
Personal.
Equifax.
Equifax. Wow. No hard pull. Like, no hard pull if you accept the offer. Because so what happens, they'll do a soft pull, they'll give you an offer. So when you apply, they give you multiple offers. So they'll give you a line of credit offer, they'll give you a term loan offer, and then they'll have one where like you can get a partial term loan, you know, have it split between a term loan and a line of credit. And so the only thing I would say, okay, 3 months.
Do they do a UCC filing for this though? Like I see like existing MCA, so like merchant cash advance. So is there like a? Yeah,
I'm not sure. I'm not 100%.
Everywhere but Nevada, dude. Like what the heck, bro? Hey, son. My guys are spoiled on the East Coast, man. That's all I got to say. Hey.
Yeah, it's weird. It's weird. Yeah, it's weird. Like, I have another like play that I want to
okay, that's cool.
Go over some personal stuff in a second, but yeah, they kind of want that first what is max third? Okay, no, max third position. So no, to answer your question, if you have a UCC filed, I think that's okay. They just don't want, like, if you have existing like MCAs that are like taking fixed daily payments. Yeah. That's basically what they don't like. But if you have other lines of credit, that, you know, that's not going to matter. It's just cool. Like the fixed, like, you know, where they, the auto drafts, daily auto drafts. Yep. And like I was saying, yeah, 180K in revenue or 15K per month. They want to see an average monthly balance of at least 5K. So if you're having NSFs, non-sufficient funds, then that's not going to look good. But yeah, overall, I would say this is more for like, you know, bigger,
like restaurants, good restaurants, stuff like that. Restaurants,
yeah, restaurants, nightclubs, retail, stuff like that. But not necessarily, because you could have an online business and get one of these.
Even e-com, if you're putting major numbers up in e-com. Like if you're putting like serious numbers up, $500,000, $1 million a year in e-com, that'd be a good one for this, right?
And actually, let me actually pull up. So they have like restricted industries.
Oh, they do.
So pretty much, yeah. So farming, construction, gun stores, cars, trucking,
real estate,
you know, banking, stuff like that. But pretty much, I mean, that's pretty much everyone else is fair game.
Yeah. That's.
And then they also have the same data points apply to the term loans as well. Okay. So for the term loan, I think they actually go up to, yeah, it's pretty much the same, up to 250K. No origination fees. Let me see, what's the difference? They do, the only whack thing is that they do weekly payments for the loans, and again, these are going to be shorter term financing options. This
influx of capital, bridge loans type of stuff.
Yeah, 36 months is the max term, so it's not like you know, it's not like a SBA or like a commercial bank loan. And also too, like this is going to be for like prime credit. These are more like people who would already qualify for like the major banks. So they don't cater to subprime.